In this video for the Product Definition module, we're going to look at the item relationships functionality, in particular the cross-references. So looking at this sheet here, I actually have some default values. I'm putting in the org, the create option, the vendor part number, etc. as the cross-reference type. Then I'm taking some item numbers and I'm going to place those into the item number field. I'm now going to get the vendor item numbers and I'll put those into the cross-reference item number field here. So you can see the cross-reference value, and I'm just doing a simple paste with Excel. And we can simply upload this data. You can see here what will happen is the defaults will come through. You can see the 000s, the create, etc. And then we call the Oracle REST service and the item cross-references are created. So that's how you simply create them. If we wish to take that item cross-reference information and to do some updates, we can paste that information in here and we can simply do a download. Now in this case we're just doing a download via sheet, and it's taking all these part numbers here or item numbers for this organization for the cross-reference source, and it will download them. And you can see these are the cross-references we created before. We're going to put a default as update, and across here we're going to change the cross-reference value. We could also change the cross-reference type if we wished as well. So we're just going to put the year 2022 at the end of these cross-reference values here as a formula, and you can see that it will take that formula based on the cell that it's associated with. We'll also do the same with description. In this example here, I'll just use standard Excel and pull down the information rather than use the More4apps functionality to do this. And we simply upload the records, and those changes have taken place. And we can verify these changes. We can do a download here, just like we did before. And we do it via sheet again, using cross-reference as the source, and you'll see the changes that we made. And it's that simple to do cross-references.